This is the unboxing of Kylo Ren's Force Effects Lightsaber, purchased by my friend Jeff. Say hi, Jeff.
Hello.
You excited about this?
Oh yeah. So let's see what happens here. There's one. There's two. Alright, let's go. Two.
Oh, are you unboxing?
I am. Three.
Oh, see this. I gotta see this.
Four.
We're being joined by some of our coworkers who are curious.
There's a couple more on the sides here. There's one on the other side too.
You're opening this more carefully than the Red Ryder BB gun.
So far, I don't think they have those, except for size. Still those spots.
Are batteries included?
No, I don't think so.
Here he is, the man.
Crown jewel.
Met the legend.
Oh man.
Oh man.
Came at the right time.
Keep going.
Got this?
In a cave.
I can't put music on my videos, it's copyrighted, but you guys can hum it.
Careful.
Okay, there's one bag.
Nice paint job.
There's another bag. Another bag. Last bag.
Wow.
There's the battery compartment. Is there batteries in here already? I doubt it. Take this out.
Man, cool.
Wow.
Really cool.
It's gonna be even heavier with the battery.
Alright, it's countdown. 3, 2, 1, right?
Alright,
Three,
three,
two,
two,
Here, swing it. It's got more of like a car engine sound.
yeah, it's got a crack to it.
Here, hit my arm. Just with it. Not hard.
No, hit it hard.
Not just even.
Contacts.
Man, it's got that raw sound like in the trailer.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Okay, Jeff, you gotta stand like this and then put it down like that.
That's cool.
Oh,
There we
I like
go.
how it-
Very nice. Congratulations, Jeff.
Alright, awesome.
Tim's already posted this on eBay. Like, this is my friend. Oh, gosh.
The darkness test?
Very cool. That is cool. So let's run down the list of comparisons again. We have the Sphero BB-8 and the Hasbro BB-8. This one looks a bit better, feels a bit better, obviously smaller. So this has not been opened for 19 plus years. Here we go. Let's see what's in here. Oh.